Welcome to Module 5, Part 8. In this section, we are going to check the effects of temperature and doping on the mobility. Basically, there are two types of scattering mechanism that influence the electron and hole mobility. The first one is the lattice scattering, and the second one is the impurity scattering. In the lattice scattering, carrier moving through the crystal is scattered by the vibration of the lattice, and this vibration can basically happen due to the temperature rise. The frequency of scattering increases as the temperature increases, and when the temperature increases, the mobility decreases. Mobility is the ease at which the holes and electrons move in a crystal. So when the temperature increases, the frequency of the scattering will increase, and as a result of which the mobility will decrease. Second one is the impurity scattering. Impurity scattering is due to the crystal defects such as ionized impurity. When an impurity is added to the semiconductor material, the scattering of the charge carriers increase. So this scattering is on temperature dependent. So if the temperature decreases, the mobility will decrease. Here in impurity scattering, as we increase the temperature, the mobility also increases because the scattering decreases. Since a slowly moving carrier is likely to be scattered more strongly by the interaction with a charged ion than a carrier with a greater momentum, impurity scattering events cause a decrease in mobility with the decreasing temperature. The scattering probability is inversely proportional to the time and therefore the mobility. The mobility is due to two or more scattering mechanism is given as 1 by mu equals to 1 by mu 1 plus 1 by mu 2 plus 1 by mu 3, and it continues. So it is the sum of all the mobilities due to different scattering mechanism. This is the graph which gives the relationship between the temperature and the mobility. So we have seen two types of scattering. One is the impurity scattering and another one is the lattice scattering. So here you can clearly understand. So in the lattice scattering, as the temperature increases, the mobility decreases. Mobility is the ease at which the electrons and holes flow in a crystal. So the mobility decreases as we increase the temperature. That is, the scattering will increase as the temperature increases. And when the temperature decreases, the mobility will increase. So the scattering in the crystal will decrease and the mobility will increase. Similarly, for the impurity scattering, as the temperature decreases, the mobility also will decrease, and as the temperature is increased, the scattering will decrease and the mobility will increase. For the impurity scattering, the approximate temperature dependency is T raised to 3 by 2, and for the lattice scattering, the approximate temperature dependencies are 3 raised to minus 3 by 2. Next, we'll see the effect of doping on mobility. As the concentration of the impurity increases, the effect of the impurity scattering is also affected as the temperature increases. Consider, for example, an electron mobility mu(n) of the intrinsic silicon at 300 Kelvin is 1350 centimeters square per volt second. With a donor doping concentration of 10 raised to 7 cubic centimeter, mu(n) is 700 centimeter square per volt second. Thus, the presence of 10 raised to 17 ionized donors per cubic centimeter introduces a significant impurity scattering. So, this is the effect of doping on mobility as well as the temperature on mobility. Thank you.